Good morning and welcome to Lover Challenge part 5 of my boat overhaul. And let me say, it's been a bit of a mission. We're pretty much there. In a minute you'll see all of the work that's been done and how the boat's looking before it went back in. Thank you for all of those who have helped and supported me. And if you could, I'd really appreciate it if you could give me your comments and feedback on any of the work I've done, and also if you do like the video, click the like button. So yeah, let's have a look at what I've done. Well, it's a happy day today. I'm going back in the river. Everything's been done. It's been a bit of a mission this weekend, finalising everything, but yeah. The guys are just prepping up, getting ready. Oh, that's a bit jumpy. There we go, let's try that. Yeah, I'm about to grab me and drop me in. Hopefully everything's okay. It's a lovely sunny day, and I got these guys sorting it all out, so good to go really. Exciting stuff. Yeah, let's go and have a little wander. Somebody cruising along the river, enjoying the weather. Must say these guys here have been absolutely brilliant. Big shout out to Joe and the team for all the help and advice they've provided. This always makes me nervous. Beast of a crane, that. Definitely got the weather for it today. So this is the first week where the crane's properly back in action, and after speaking with Joe, the manager here, it was all sort of going to start kicking off with boats in and out a lot. And obviously where I've been situated on the hard stands there, as you can see, every time they're lifting a boat out, I'm literally right next to it. So in all fairness, I've been asked to get on and off every single time, and I work from home, so some days that could mean getting on and off about 4 to 5 times, which isn't really ideal. Yeah, so happy days really. I've been out since the middle of November, and we are now, I think, the 27th of April, 26th, 27th, can't remember. They're just working out the best way to lift it, where the straps were last time, to lift it nice and straight. It's a happy day today, providing nothing leaks. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Yeah, you're going to be able to hold me for a little while I check stuff.
Yeah, once we're in the...
Yeah, I want to just quickly go in and check everything. Yeah. Cheers, man. Whoa. Right, bilge pump. Good to know they're working. That's a little bit nerve-wracking. Oh, my heart's in my throat. I don't know why, these guys know what they're doing, the crane works fine, but always makes me nervous. This is where my boat was, right here. Right here. For 5 months. Oh, yeah, so the boat's back in the right place. Obviously, checked everything out once it's back in. We had a little leak from the stern gland. That was it really, so I tightened that up and that was good. And naturally, because the top half needed doing, I've been working on that slowly and getting that done. So we have one side completed, I think it's looking quite nice, if I must say so. Doing this in 3 sections, well, each of this side's been done in 3 sections, so if we have a look, yeah, the boat's back in the right place, look. If we have a look, that front section there, I've done, that's probably about 4 hours or so work. Then the middle section, and then finally the back section, all taken down to 400 grit, so we get a nice smooth finish on it. But I'll tell you what was hard was doing it when it wasn't wet, because as you can see here, we get water in the morning, and previously when I've done this, if you don't time it right, you end up with water stains in the oil, which I've actually managed to avoid. It wasn't easy. We still got the other side to do. I've got one coat on the back, which is going to get done. I've got bits I've got to touch up, like that tiny bit on the roof. I'm probably going to do something with the cables for the solar panels. As you can see, I've got my fire on because it's a bit brisk this morning. So yeah, I think we're pretty much there. Oh no, actually there was one thing. In the front, the cratch, I found some rotten wood, so I've got to jump in here and repair that. I have stripped most of it out, but I can't come up with a solution for that because it's a double insulated wall to this is my bedroom here. It's a double insulated wall, and I need to repair it, so there we go. Yeah, quite overall happy with it really. And it's back in the right place. Yeah, living the dream. Yeah, and do let me know, guys, what you think of my works and my missions. I've got my other toy there that I'm going to start playing with soon, but that's a whole nother video. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, all of that malarkey. And yeah, thanks for watching. Now I'm going to go and make myself a lovely cup of coffee.